Alright YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm going to have a look at this toolkit that I got off of Amazon for pretty cheap, probably $160 for a 320 piece. So we're going to take a look at it. Alright, so there's not a lot of light, so I've got this shining. Appears to be Craftsman. I have doubts that it's actual Craftsman, but I wouldn't think that they would fake a known product, but you never know. But looking into it, still has the lifetime warranty on the box anyways. I mean, alright, and I thought I saw, yeah, see, this is what worries me. See right there. It says made in China. Now we're going to talk about, so in the top shelf, it's got two on the side. It's not really a shelf, but it opens up. And it's got all the wrenches in here, and then the hex key sets. Gave me an extra one though. So I've got an inch and I got metric, and then they gave me another metric. So I think they accidentally gave me an extra one. But looking at, let's pull the 12 out. Yeah, see, this just looks cheap. Like it doesn't even look like the normal Craftsman stuff. I did buy a Craftsman recently. That's 12 millimeter. I see it's quite a bit different when you look at them. It's too bright, isn't it? Yeah, so I mean, this is just shiny across, and then this is like more forged. Looks more forged anyways. The new ones are a tad longer as well. One thing I wanted to make notice of is one I bought. So I bought this 12 millimeter recently, and then this one I bought a very long time ago, and they look like very similar, but when you flip them around, so it's got that, so it's got A-AH. The one in the set has Z-AH, so I'm not sure what those mean. So I don't know. They do have different numbers on them, but you look at the one I bought a long time ago, and it even says 11 millimeter forged in USA. And it doesn't say that on the current ones. So this one's 42916, 42915. So that makes sense. Yeah, but yeah, I don't believe they're made in America anymore. But for the price of this set, you look at Lowe's, and they're selling their almost 300 set for like almost $400. So I'm thinking I got a pretty good deal on it. And this opens up here. You got your, I believe this is half-inch set, yeah. Half-inch ratchet, half-inch sockets. Got 12 point. Both of them are 12 point, and both metric and standard. The next one down. Oh, also on this top one, you got all the fittings here. for your screwdriver, which is in one of the other drawers. And then it's also got these adapters. And then here's where the screwdriver is, right here. And then it's got all these fittings. So it's got pretty much anything you really need. Both, let's see, this is the quarter. And that's 12-point quarter. This one is 6-point in the quarter. And then we've got 6-point in the metric as well. And then the deep sockets are 6-point. Both in metric and standard for the 6-point. And then got the 1/4-inch wrench. And then the 3/8-inch wrench. So both right here. It still looks pretty nice, but just not the quality that I would expect from Craftsman. And then that's a 6-point. I brought a couple of sockets out that I've had for a very long time. This one's a 12-point, 16 millimeters. So let's look for the 16 millimeter 6-point and compare them. So this is the one in the kit. Just doesn't say where it's made, although it says in the box made in China. And this one, it's got that laser etched on it that's not in the kit. And yeah, it doesn't say where this one was made either, but I've had it for a pretty long time. And this one's a 1/2 inch. This was before the laser etch stuff. And it even says made in the USA. So you look at the 1/2. I guess they don't. Oh, here it is. Right there. 1/2. And it doesn't say anything on it where it's made. But like I said, it says made in China on the box, so yeah, kind of sad. But Sears hasn't owned them for a few years yet now, so it's made by a different company. But anyways, nice set. This is one that I'm probably gonna put in the Jeep as a permanent item in the Jeep. But this box is way too big. I need to downsize it quite a bit. So I'll probably put it in an ammo can, but I'll do another video on how I'm going to configure that once I figure it out. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.